Happy Monday. And we got a Hornets game. And we had a fantastic trading day. Nothing better. So let's start out with the first trade. It was Exxon. What we went ahead and did is we saw Narrow State. Saw the elephant right about here. Consider that an elephant. Got in. Let it go here. As soon as we got the 2 minute break, we went more in. And then we got out here. We said one push, two push, three, exit out, left one lot on. And as soon as this crossed, we bought more into it. Uh, and then we got out immediately. We could have bought more into it and then rode it back up to the top, which was the game plan, but we were already ahead of schedule. So we just didn't do it. But going back, that's what we should have done, because that was perfect, to make even more money. If we keep going with Exxon, we have a one, two, three finger spread. You get the X there. It's a sell. It's here. We know that that was going to bounce. Maybe it goes back down. No. Uh, Maybe we consider this an elephant. Midway point is here. Sell more here. So elephant, sell, sell more when it breaks it. And I would say probably aim to there. Oh, but it doesn't go there as we can tell. What we did is we saw a break. So we bought here, bought more here, and got out here. Good trade, but I don't know what the purpose of it was. Just adding more money, I guess. Uh, we're looking for a good move. As you can see, this is the area. We gotta move above it right here. Stop. 5 more. I'd probably get out here. So we would have got here. But that's off the 20, so that would have been a good buy too, right there. Elephant. You can say it touched it, but elephant, come back, take out, get out. 15's kind of the end of the day, but even still, you got to move off of flattish 200, elephant bar, or really elephant bar, 50%, sell more. Hidden color change, sell more. Color change, sell more. Let's go to Amazon. Amazon, we had a flat state here. Ignore this. Green right color. Wait for it to go above. Set the stop under. It went above. You could have bought here. Set the stop right here. Red green crossover. Add more here. Get out here. 1, 2, 3. We're treating this dotted line previous of close. We were treating that as the 200, and that's why we did a color change here, color change by there. And then we tried to do the color change again, color change by again here. And we got out both profitable trades, but again, not a lot of movement compared to the opening. Play. One might be could have taken this as a tail bar. There's a red to green color change right there hidden. Wrote it right here back down to the 20. Maybe you see this tail bar and say, hey, that's a sell. Stop right above here. Sell more. Try to ride that to the 200. Got there. Comes back. You get another sell sign off of it. Nope. You get a buy sign here. This is an elephant bar. In fact, this is an elephant bar. So here, you could have done a color change. That's what I bought, the color change here of this, thinking that this was a narrow state. Probably could have wrote it a little further than I did. I got out right here immediately. Just took the short profit and get out. It's 11. Not too much is going to happen around 11. One could look at that, but keep in mind this is leg 1, leg 2. Probably get out here. Sell. Get out. Sell. Get out. Is that buy? Buy more. Nope. Get out. Sell. End of the day. Get out. Before it popped up on you. Next one's going to be Google. Narrow state, wrong color. Well, looks like it was red, bright color. Well, it was all the way green and then it went down red. So at that point, you could sell and say that this is the color change here off of a flat state, goes down or goes up, and then right down, and then three finger, one, two, three, crosses the price, ride it back up to the 20. What we ended up doing is we thought this was about 50%, and we were trying to sell right here. Um, no, it looks like we sold here and bought here. So we thought that it was going to go below, but we sold as soon as it got there and then it went up. Then we could have tried the same thing here, but keep in mind from here to here, 50% is here. So that's why I liked this move. But once that failed, it's probably not going to go down. Looks like it did. It had a area of resistance. Keep in mind this is being pushed down. This is being pushed down. This is pushed down all from this above 200. It seems like that's a level right there. So as soon as it got here, take out this green, that would have been a sell down. And you could have looked for that level, or maybe even this level, or even just this level right here. This is a one, two, three finger spread, hidden color change with the tail bar, and you ride it up to here, knowing that the 20 is flat. We can play tops and bottoms here, 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 here. You thought that it was going to respect it on this 45. That's what I thought. So I bought and I was going to play it up to here um, because it was in the range and then it respected the 20. So I figured it would go higher than this. As soon as it went against me, I got out here. Looks like it respected it. Nope. Bull 180. Great position. Ride it up. End of the day. Nope. Ooh, violence. That was so violent. You have to sell it. Get out. Off the 20. Buy. Stop. Nope. Off the 20. Next one's going to be Uber. Here's the open. You could say flat state, ignore, red bar. You could try to sell here, but it would have got you avoided. And then you could say 1, 2, 3. Uh, Maybe you could take this up to here. Um, Keep in mind that this is the Fab Four, so a move right here would be ideal off the Fab Four. And there you going down. What we tried to do is we tried to play this up. We got a buy here, got out real quick. Knew it was just a scalp. Did the same thing here. It was bull 180. Could have got out right here as soon as it hit the 8, but you probably could have rode that one up a little higher. See how high it went. Nope. Elephant. Stop. Get out. Or I'd say maybe even play that as a bull 180, even though it's not. But we have a narrow state. We have a move off of it. We have a sell right here. Oof. That's vicious. So, I mean, I would have done the sell here off of this, tried to get as much as this move. And then as soon as you saw the green bar take out a red right here, you could have bought with the stop right here and rode that and said 1, 2, 3, 3 finger, ride it back here, and then see if it'll go here. Not Tuber. There's Walmart. Flat state. Ignore. Bright color. Above. Set the stop. Buy into it. Buy more. Buy more. And get out. 1 push, 2 push, 3. Keep in mind we're playing this is a 200. That should go up. Looks like we played this down as soon as we got the cross. 1, 2, 3. We got the cross. We're playing it down, trying to get out here. We took it out here. So let's say this and this. Looks like that would have broken out here. Buy more here. Nope. Off of 20. Nope. Stop and reverse. Keep in mind leg one. Can't expect too much in leg two. Nope. Didn't get that one either. Playing it down, play it down. Wait for it. Now. Nope. A little too early. was rough. That was rough. Last one. Chase narrow state. Ignore red color. Sell. Probably get out here. Play off the 200 bounce. Right up to here. Looks like it went even higher. You're in the trap zone. Off the trap zone. Ride it down. Position of power. So sell. Expect it to go right back there. Nope. So we looked at probably this is an elephant. And this is a color change. So we bought here. Hidden color change. But it went completely against us and we got out there. Didn't lose a bar. So great trade. Leg one, leg two. Probably get out here. Didn't even make it there. Yep, got out. Buy. Nope, get out. Off the 20. Sell. Not as wide of a state as it was here. Buy more. Color change. Color change. $15, pretty much the end of the day. So again, Monday, great day. Hornets game. Best of luck. Till tomorrow. See you on Tuesday.